Auntie Paige, listen, let me tell y'all something. I went down 2 roads today. Normal roads that I use. And I got on both of those roads. And guess what I found out? The road was closed. I had to take a detour. Oh! Then I heard God. There are places and roads and things we have done that we've been doing a long time, y'all. And we think that we're going to be able to keep doing those things. Oh, but I hear the Lord saying there's a detour. One prophet said it like this. Prophet Tommy said this. There are things that has been allowed under the anointing that God will not allow under the glory. Oh, my God, help us, Jesus. Things that we've done all of our lives, things that we've been in the body of believers and we've done because God has been merciful. I've done a little of this. I've dabbled in a little of that. And God's mercy, y'all, met us. Oh, but there's a detour that is coming. What happens on the detour? Either you follow the new way or you don't get to where you're going. Oh my God, help us, Father. The detour, the days of detour are upon us. And if we're going to arrive, we can no longer arrive the way we always have done it. We're going to have to arrive the way that God has destined us. Either we detour or we ain't going to make it.